Yo, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. You guys saw the vibes, we outside with it. As you guys can see, the skies are blue, beautiful day out. Just finished dropping off the first order of the day, which I didn't record because I mean it was just quick, you know. I just went into the building, I dropped it off in front of the door and came back downstairs to the RARRI. Yes, got the VVs on the RARRI. She's looking so beautiful, honestly, man. Like, I love this bike. Every time I get on this bike, it's like completely different compared to the Pinarello, because you know, like, I've got drops and also there's a 48 chainring and 14. Sometimes I'd be forgetting how hard it is to push this wheel because I'm so used to like riding 15 on the head on the Pinarello. So yeah, even though it feels kind of tough, like when you push the wheel, we still out, you know what I mean? Like, we push forward and I'll be out with it too. So yeah, I hope you guys are out there killing it, filming, doing what you love. It is like 3, it's about to be, no, actually, let me check. It's 2:24 in the afternoon and I'm feeling amazing, honestly, guys. Like, you guys are the shit. Keep doing what you guys are doing, you know what I mean? I believe in you guys just as much as I believe in myself. You guys should feel confident at anything, doing what you love, feel me? And with that being said, got the RARRI out. Just look at her. Got the 3T Scatos, the Zip Carbon SL Sprint, Carbon Envies with the DT Swiss hub. This is a 60 and this is a 70. And I got the Envies rear with the same hub, looking all fire. Got the Cinelli shark frame with the red lizard skin grip tape. Why do I keep saying grip tape? I mean bar tape. And I have this nice saddle, carbon, and the bottom is fully carbon. It's in red, specialized. And I also have this Zoma frame top tube protector, which is good, and it comes in handy because, you know, whenever I lock the bike up, I usually lock it up with the frame right here on top, so that way the frame won't get scratched. Yeah, anyway guys, with that being said, right now we're about to head back to the shop, pick up more orders, see what's up. Hopefully the day goes good and we'll see how the day treats us. So I'm gonna strap you guys on, enjoy the ride. orders up, y'all. We outside with it. Beautiful day out. Honestly, it doesn't feel that cold today. It feels a lot warmer today. It's at I think 45. I'm not sure, but yesterday was super cold. I didn't film anything because my hands were freezing and my feet were literally frozen. But today feels amazing. I'm on the RARRI, as you guys can see. Yo, shout out to all of you guys for the love and support. You guys mean a lot to me, feel me? Right now we're by LES, the Lower East Side of Manhattan, dropping off the second order of the day. So yeah, it should be good today. Look at this, beautiful, amazing. I'm just so happy to be able to ride my bike, feel me? Anyways, enough talking. You guys want to see the action? Let's go to it, boys. Yo, we're back at it. We're outside, and as you guys can see, it's already dark. Did like 4 deliveries. I just didn't record it because, you know, like most of them were just to give it to the doorman. So yeah, we're outside with it. I'm about to munch on some Popeyes, feel me? I got a chicken sandwich, classic with no pickles. I don't like pickles. Y'all like pickles? I do. With some fries on the side, feel me? You know the vibes. Oh, it tastes so good. Anyway, no talking. I'm gonna munch down and then head back to the shop, pick up my orders, and yeah, so let's get to it.